Hello everybody, I'm going to show you 5 beginner-friendly ways to come up with lots of ideas for blog posts. My name's Theo McArthur, I've been blogging for 20 years and I've been teaching blogging since 2016. Okay, so the first way I'm going to show you is by using Amazon Books. So let's head over to Amazon.com. I'm going to use the example of decluttering because decluttering is a really popular subject now and it's becoming more and more popular. A lot of people are interested in this, and as you can see, this book here has over 26,000 reviews. The life-changing magic of tidying up, decluttering and organizing. So to use this method, go to Amazon and go to the books department and type in the subject of your blog. So whatever niche, whatever subject that your blog is about. Look for books that have a lot of ratings, and that way you know the book is popular. And then click Look Inside. Scroll down, and what you're looking for is a list of chapters if possible. Some books don't have that in the Look Inside section, but some do. So scrolling down here, this particular one doesn't have a list of chapters, but it does have some headings and subheadings that can give us ideas for blog posts. So there are a few things here that we could use for ideas. But let's take a look and see if we can find a better one. I'll take a quick look at this one. Look inside, and here's the list of chapters. So we can get lots of ideas. Don't keep it for now, avoid temporary storage, 10 strategies for discarding, discard after a certain period of time. So you can see that here we've got lots of ideas, and you can do this by going through several of the most popular books in your niche and make a list of ideas for blog posts. So that's the first place. Next is a website called Answer the Public. This is a great place and most people haven't heard of it. So with this website, answerthepublic.com, you can use it free for 3 searches a day. If you wanted more than that, you would have to sign up for the paid version, but 3 searches a day will give you a lot of information. So you can choose your country here from the drop-down box. Type in a word that describes what you're looking for. In this case, it's decluttering. We're going to stick with the same example. And now it's going to bring back some questions, and we're going to take a look at these to see what kind of ideas we can get for blog posts. What decluttering does for your mind. Decluttering, what to throw away, where to start, where to donate. Where to start decluttering a bedroom. Where to start decluttering when feeling overwhelmed, why decluttering is important. So we've got lots of ideas. This is a great one. So it came up with 55 different suggestions or questions that people have asked. And these are the most popular questions that people ask about decluttering. So that's the second place. Next, we've got podcasts. So places like iTunes and Google Podcasts, where you can search for podcasts in your niche, look for popular podcasts and recent podcasts as well. Listen to some of those podcasts and write down more ideas for blog posts. And then of course we've got YouTube. Do a search for your niche, the subject of your blog, and look at the most popular videos. Watch those videos and look at the comments underneath those videos as well to get even more ideas for blog posts. So that's 4 places we've looked at now, and that's going to give you a lot of ideas. But finally, we've got keyword suggestion tools. Now there are lots of free keyword suggestion tools. I'm going to show you just one at the moment so that you can see how it works and how you can get ideas. So the one I'm looking at here is by WebFX, but if you just do a Google search for keywords FX, you should be able to get it. But there are lots of other tools like this online that you can find if you do a Google search. So I've already typed in the starting keyword declutter and clicked on search. And here we've got a whole bunch of things that we can look at to see is there anything on here we can add to our list. So we've got things like decluttering in 5 minutes a day, declutter 52 things in 52 weeks, declutter and clean, declutter and minimalism, declutter apartment, declutter the basement, declutter the bathroom, declutter the bedroom, declutter before moving. I assume that means declutter before moving home, declutter business, declutter calendar. So yes, there are things that we can add to the list here to create even more ideas for blog posts. Okay, so if you've been struggling for ideas for blog posts, I hope this video has helped.